There is one thing you can do tonight for free with zero side effects that research links to better memory, a stronger heart, a calmer mind, and a lower risk of Alzheimer's disease. And most of us are skipping it. It's sleep. And no, you probably aren't getting enough of it. How sleep heals your body and mind. When you fall into deep sleep, your body doesn't just shut off. Actually, it starts working hard to repair you. This is the time when your body releases a special healing hormone that helps rebuild muscles, repair tissues, and even heal wounds faster. Your immune system also gets stronger while you sleep. That means your body is better prepared to fight germs, viruses, and infections. Think about it like this. Sleep is your body's natural medicine, and your heart loves sleep too. When you rest, your blood pressure goes down. This gives your heart a break, almost like letting an engine cool down after working all day. But when you don't sleep enough, your blood pressure can stay high. And over time, that can raise your risk for heart disease and stroke. Sleep also refills your energy. Deep inside your body, your cells recharge, almost like plugging in your phone overnight. When you wake up after a good sleep, your body has more energy to move, think, and get through the day. Now let's talk about your brain. While you sleep, your brain starts cleaning itself. Yes, your brain has a cleaning system. It removes waste and toxins that build up during the day. Some of these waste products are linked to memory problems later in life. So when you sleep, your brain is taking out the trash. Then comes dream sleep, also called REM sleep. This is when your brain saves memories. It records what happened during the day, almost like pressing save on a computer. Sleep also helps control your emotions. Have you ever had a bad night of sleep and the next day everything feels harder? You feel more irritated, more anxious, more emotional? That happens because your brain is tired. The emotional part of your brain becomes too active, and the calm, thinking part does not work as well. That is why small problems can feel huge after a sleepless night. And sleep also helps with focus. When you don't sleep enough, it becomes harder to pay attention, make decisions, solve problems, and react quickly. In fact, being very sleep-deprived can make your brain work almost like someone who is drunk. So remember this, sleep is not laziness. Sleep is repair. Sleep is healing. Sleep is protection for your heart, brain, mood, and energy. If you want a stronger body and a clearer mind, start by protecting your sleep. I'm Daniela, and this is Walk Together Home. If this helped you rest a little easier, subscribe so we can keep walking this journey together. Why are you still waking up tired? Have you ever slept through the night but still woken up tired? You open your eyes, but your body says, nope, we are not ready. Here is the truth. Sleep is not only about closing your eyes. It is about giving your body the right conditions to rest, repair, and recharge. The first reason you may wake up tired is simple. You are not getting enough sleep. Most adults need about 7 to 9 hours of sleep. If you are only getting 4, 5, or 6 hours, your body may not have enough time to do the deep repair work it needs. The second reason is screen time. Your phone, TV, or tablet can keep your brain alert. So even when your body is tired, your brain is still acting like it is daytime. Try turning off screens at least 30 minutes before bed. 1 hour is even better. The third reason is alcohol or heavy meals. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy at first, but it can disturb your sleep later in the night. Heavy meals can also put your body to work digesting when it should be resting. So if you wake up tired, check what you ate or drank before bed. The fourth reason is stress. If your mind is racing, your body cannot fully relax. You may be in bed, but your brain is still working overtime. Before bed, try something simple. Deep breathing, soft music, prayer, reading, stretching, or writing down tomorrow's worries on paper. Give your brain permission to slow down. So tonight, ask yourself, did I sleep enough? Did I use my phone too late? Did I eat too heavily? Did I drink alcohol? Did I bring stress into bed? Better sleep does not start when you close your eyes. Better sleep starts with what you do before bedtime. How to tuck yourself in like a pro. So, how can we harness the power of sleep? Let's get practical. 1. Keep it cool. The ideal sleep temperature is around 65 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius. A cooler room helps your core temperature drop, signaling to your brain it's time to rest. 2. Power down the screens. Blue light from phones and TVs suppresses melatonin, your body's natural sleep hormone. Try to unplug at least an hour before bed. 3. Cut caffeine after lunch. Caffeine has a half-life of about 6 hours, meaning that a 3 p.m. latte is still half active at 9 p.m. 4. Light dinners, less alcohol. Heavy meals and alcohol before bed may make you sleepy, but they also disrupt deep and REM sleep later. 5. Wind down with calm. Soft music, light stretching, or the sound of waves can ease your transition into rest. The 4-7-8 breathing method. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 7. Exhale through your mouth for 8. Repeat this 3 or 4 times. This rhythm lowers your heart rate, reduces cortisol, your stress hormone, and tells your nervous system it's safe to rest. It's like a built-in sedative powered by your breath. So here's the truth. Sleep is not a luxury. It's a biological necessity. Your body repairs, your brain resets, your emotions rebalance. Skipping sleep doesn't make us more productive. When we honor sleep, we honor our health, our creativity, and even our compassion, because a well-rested mind is calmer, kinder, and more capable. So tonight, when you tuck yourself in, remember this. You're not just resting, you're healing, learning, and preparing for tomorrow's challenges. And if worry tries to keep you awake, remember this truth. You can rest safely in Jesus because He always delivers. He is our peace when the world feels heavy. He is the steady hand that holds us even in our most restless nights. When we surrender our anxiety to Him, our hearts can truly rest, not just in body, but in soul. As Psalm 4:8 says, "In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." Sleep, then, isn't just a biological need. It's an act of faith, a reminder that we can let go because God never does. So tonight, rest well, body, mind, and spirit, knowing the one who made you is still working while you sleep.